Hey garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 genius gardening ideas for all seasons that will help you keep your garden thriving, no matter the time of year. From clever fertilizer tips to growing tropical fruits, I've got some exciting and easy to implement ideas for you. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's dig right in. Next up, let's talk about something exotic, tropical fruits. You might think you need a warm climate to grow them, but you can actually cultivate a few right in your backyard or indoors. Tip 3. Grow bananas indoors with ease. Banana plants can thrive indoors with enough light. Place your banana plant in a sunny corner of your home, and be sure to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. With the right care, you can enjoy fresh bananas at home, even in cooler climates. Tip 4. Citrus trees in pots. Lemons, limes, and oranges can all be grown in pots, which means you can bring them indoors during colder months. They love sunlight, so keep them near a south-facing window. It's a great way to add a burst of freshness to your home all year round.
Plastic. Watering is crucial, but it's important to adapt your watering techniques based on the season to avoid over or underwatering. Tip 7. Use drip irrigation in summer. During hot months, use a drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to the roots. This prevents evaporation and ensures that your plants get the moisture they need without wasting water. Tip 8. Mulch in winter for moisture retention. In winter, mulch acts as a protective blanket for your soil, helping to retain moisture and insulate roots from freezing temperatures. Spread a layer of straw, leaves, or wood chips over your garden beds to keep your plants cozy during the colder months.
Flowers and herbs can brighten up your garden and your home all year long. Let's explore how to keep them blooming throughout the seasons. Tip 9. Grow perennials for year-round color. Perennials like lavender, sage, and rosemary are great because they come back year after year. Plant them once and enjoy their beauty season after season. Plus, many perennials are low maintenance. Tip 10. Indoor herb gardens for fresh flavors anytime. You don't need a big garden to grow herbs. Create a small indoor herb garden with pots of basil, thyme, and mint. Place them on a windowsill, and you'll have fresh herbs to enhance your cooking all year round. And there you have it, 10 genius gardening ideas for all seasons. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these tips can help you keep your garden healthy and vibrant year-round. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and leave a comment below about your favorite gardening hack. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.